Let's talk cash flow in 150 seconds. This is a video about the power of covered calls. Let's say you own a stock. Well, you could sell a call option to somebody else, and that gives them the right to buy your stock, but only if it hits a certain price. And then they pay you for that right. That's called a covered call.
I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, and this is entertainment, and it's not financial advice.
Here's how it works. A buyer has the option to buy somebody's stock at a certain price, the strike price, before it expires. Now, the seller has the obligation to sell because that gives somebody the right to buy their stock at the strike price. So sellers get the money, and in exchange for getting the money up front, they give up some of the upside. Well, that's okay. You get income, but you don't get the upside. Okay, well, not every stock goes up all the time. Maybe you'd rather have the income. I'm an income investor. I like getting the income. Buyers get the reward, though, if the stock goes up. So if you think the stock's going to go crazy, you want to be a buyer of an option. But that's not what I'm talking about here. I'm talking about covered calls. So why use covered calls? Well, first of all, they generate income. Second of all, they reduce your downside risk to the amount of the premium that you get, the amount that you sell, and that's what gives you the downside cushion. And then you can repeat this monthly or weekly for cash flow. Let's say there's this guy here called Juicy Joe. Now, Juicy Joe likes to invest for cash flow or for income. So he's got this stock here that's right there on your screen. Now, this is a totally hypothetical stock, but let's say that this is a stock that's out there that's trading for about $285 or so. Then you go to what's called an option chain and you look up the strike prices. Remember the price we talked about where they agreed to buy and sell the stock? Well, that's called the strike price. And this strike price is $290. Well, in exchange for agreeing to sell at $290, Juicy Joe gives up the upside above $290. But what does he get in return? He gets $4.20 per share, basically, or $420 a contract. So that's the income that he gets. Now, what are the rewards? Well, you get paid up front when you sell an option, and you get regular income if you do it systematically. The risks are it's got limited upside over the strike price, and you must hold the stock. If you want more cash flow strategies, subscribe for more option income tips. Join my free Insider Tips newsletter. The link is below. You can get a Cash Flow Machine mini course for free. The link is also below. Or you can watch this next video right here to learn about covered calls. And I'll see you soon.
So I need to put up a legal disclosure here. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. And this is entertainment, and it's not financial advice. Always do your own research before making financial decisions, and please be careful.